So here we have a smaller problem than the ones you've been doing if you've been doing them in sequence. So you may have been able to do this one on your own. So they ask for this journal entry here to record the amount of income that'll be unrealized or deferred gross profit that you need to remove from the equity and income of shilling. But we can't do this without doing the math first. So first we have to calculate what is the percent gross profit in these intercompany sales. Then we multiply that gross profit percent times the unsold inventory. What's a little bit different about this one is the description of how much is unsold is yet a new way that you haven't seen before. All right, so what were the sales? 225,000, and the original cost was 150. So the gross profit is sales minus cost of goods sold, and the gross profit percent is gross profit divided by sales. Okay, so now we know what the profit is. And Excel is not rounding, so if you're rounding, you're going to get a slightly different dollar amount because of the rounding. It's displaying two decimal places here, but it has not truncated the other 3333s into infinity. It's still in Excel. Okay, so how much is unsold? So they say that we sold the 225,000. Of that, 105 has been resold to an outside party. So that leaves the difference unsold. All right, so the 225 minus the amount that's been resold to outside parties leaves you with 120,000 in ending inventory, which they didn't tell you directly, right? You had to pull it out of the story. Okay, and the deferred gross profit would be that ending inventory times the gross profit percent, and then how much of shilling did Timberend own? 25%. So 25% of that needs to be removed from their income that they report from shilling. And there's your entry. Okay, ready for next.